Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest gadgets and tech. Today I am going to show you the Google Pixel Fold, the Google first foldable phone that was released in June 2023. Is it worth the hefty price tag of $1,799 for 256GB model and around $2,000 for the 512GB option? Let's find out. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the video description and you can buy this phone from Amazon. Alright, the Pixel Fold has a 5.6-inch FHD Plus OLED display on the front that folds open to reveal a 7.6-inch OLED screen inside. The front screen has a punch hole camera 17:9 aspect ratio, while the inner screen has a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1840 by 2208 pixels. The foldable screen is very smooth and responsive and it feels like a tablet when you open it up. The Pixel Folds run on Android 13, which is optimized for large display and multitasking. You can use up to 3 apps at same time on inner screen or switch between different modes like book mode, tent mode or flex mode. The software also adapts to the orientation and size of screen, so you can use it in portrait or landscape mode. The Pixel Fold is powered by a Tensor G2 chipset, Google's second generation custom processor that promises fast performance and better AI capabilities. It also has a Titan M2 security chip that protects your data and biometrics. The Pixel Fold has 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of storage, but no micro SD card slot. The Pixel Fold has a total of 5 cameras, a 12-megapixel main camera, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera on the back, a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the front and an 8-megapixel under-display camera on the inner screen. The cameras are similar to ones on the Pixel 7 Pro, but they have some new features like Magic Eraser, which lets you remove unwanted objects from your photos, Cinematic Pan, which gives you smooth and stabilized video shots, and Portrait Light, which lets you adjust the lighting on your portraits. Pixel Fold has 4500 mAh battery that supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It also comes with 30-watt fast charger in the box that gives you up to 50% charge in 30 minutes. The battery life is decent but not exceptional. You can expect to get around 6 hours of screen on time on the inner screen and around 10 hours on the front screen. One of the coolest features of Pixel Fold is its speakers. They support spatial audio, which gives you an immersive surround experience without using headphones. The speakers are loud and clear and they automatically adjust to the orientation of the phone. So what do you think of the Pixel Fold? Well, I think it's very good first foldable phone from Google. It has a great camera system, a smooth and versatile foldable screen and a smart software feature. However, it's very expensive, very heavy, 283 grams of weight, and so if you are looking for a foldable phone that can double as tablet, then the Pixel Fold might be worth considering. But if you are looking for a more conventional phone, then that's cheaper and more reliable, then you might want to look elsewhere. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also let me know what you think of Pixel Fold in the comments below. See you in the next time. Bye bye.